My name is Carrie Kelly. I am one of the partners at Gasper Law Group, and I practice in domestic relations. I graduated from law school out of Boulder in 2002 and fell into family law sort of by accident and realized that I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the practice, I enjoyed working with the people, I enjoyed the amount of courtroom time, and I have been doing family law for almost 15 years at this point. My father was actually really influential in my decision to go to law school. He was a high school dropout, and he was very, very smart. Anything that was analytically complicated and kind of breaking those things down and making arguments, and he actually successfully represented himself in federal court as an unrepresented party. And so when I was in high school, I made the decision that I wanted to go to law school, and he was so excited by this idea because he said, well, now you can represent me. When he passed away several years ago, I inherited his desk set. And I remember as a child, this desk was always his office desk. And so it gives me great joy each day when I'm working to look and I can see the rings from his coffee mugs and his Corona beer bottles all over my desk. And I just know that I'm doing something, I'm fulfilling something that is not just meaningful to me personally, but that was multiple generations in the making. We understand that, especially in the practice area that we're in, we are probably the first time someone has interacted with an attorney. And when you are in that position, you don't know the difference between a good attorney and a bad attorney. I could be all form and no substance, and you really wouldn't know the difference. And so it ultimately comes down to trust. And it comes down to, much like I just have to take a mechanic's word for it, that I did or didn't need this because I certainly can't second guess the advice. It comes down to, do I find this person to be trustworthy? Do I find this person to give me confidence? And so a lot of what we do is we work really hard on being transparent with people. We give our attorneys a lot of leeway to just have unbilled time with clients, to say, you know what, I'm gonna write this off. I'm just gonna meet with you, I'm gonna shut off the clock, because you really need to understand what's going on here so that our professional relationship is one that you have confidence in, so that you know that you really are getting good legal advice.